Welcome back to Terror by the Bay. I'm David. And speaking of drama by the Bay, in Washington, D.C., we found out more about the filings on Monday night. As we know, Jack Smith's put a filing in there. They want the witnesses and information they're going to turn over to Trump's legal team protected. And Trump's legal team basically doesn't want that... other than grand jury stuff, they want everything else to be unprotected so they can talk about it. In response to that allegation, Smith accused Trump's legal team of proposing an order designed to allow him to try this case in the media rather than the courtroom. Does that sound familiar? Do you think Donald Trump would try his case in the media, in the court of public opinion, long before the court ever settled it? Sounds really familiar to me. Again, one-trick pony. Will, and the judge basically wanted both entities to submit when they wanted to go over this, and she wants it done by this Friday. So, fast. Let's go, people. Chop. So, how is the judge going to rule on this case? Is she going to ask for a protective order? Or is she going to let Donald Trump's legal team do what he wants to do and try this case in the court of public opinion for entertainment purposes only? Okay, Knight of Wands. Okay, so we're going to move forward with this, where there's a progression going on, crossed by the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so this is kind of looking at the legal maneuverings that's going on while protecting the rights of Donald Trump and also the rights and the privacy of the individuals in this case and the evidence. So there's a wealth of evidence and we need to proceed with caution, well planned out. So in the past, the DOJ has been great about keeping this information quiet. We don't know what's in there. We don't know what there is there with this case. And they've done a great job with that. But that information is about to be handed over, which means it could be made and brought to the court of public opinion. Current situation, Queen of Pentacles. No, again, it's the valuing. It's that the value. What's in the best interest of this court case on a plan forward? Is it protecting everything? Is it protecting most everything? Is it protecting very little? So right now, the judge is evaluating what's in the best interest of the American people, as well as this court case, as well as Donald Trump's rights. You got the Chariot over the overarching energy. This will progress. There will be a decision made, and this case will move forward. It's not going to get delayed by this, and she's already made that quite clear. Seven of Wands, fighting off challenges. There's going to be a lot of arguing, a lot of proposals being brought forth and fighting it back. Is this going to be in the court of public opinion? How is she going to rule on this? Let's find out. Oh, look at that. She wants to keep things private. She does not want that out in the court of public opinion. She's going to rule in favor of Jack Smith. It may not be 100% in favor of Jack Smith, but it's going to be mostly in favor of Jack Smith. It's going to be mostly in favor of Jack Smith, if not fully in favor of Jack Smith. Keeping this information under wraps is vital to the progression of this case. It's all about moving this case forward, and allowing him to fight it, to do it in the court of public opinion is not the way to go about it. Underneath it is the Lover's card. So there's going to be an agreement. There'll probably be a little bit of a compromise on stuff he can talk about, but I would expect that, generally speaking, this Lover's card now could be about Trump and Jack Smith and the DOJ, but I think it's also, again, about protecting the witnesses on there, the information on there, and preventing the American people from getting biased about this case long before it ever hits the courtroom. Expect that she is going to rule in Jack Smith's favor, if not all the way, most of the way. So that's my reading on Judge Chutkan's ruling. That's going to happen by the end of this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you gives you some insights as to what's going on behind the scenes here. Entertainment purposes only and all that. Thank you for supporting my channel and all your likes and subscribes and doing all the YouTube-y stuff. And to the new subscribers, hey, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you along for the ride. I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.